Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a simple attendance sheet in Excel perfect for students and teachers. So let's get started. Now you have to select the Excel and open. Just click and open the Excel. Then we will click the blank. Then here we will add the header names in columns. There is roll number, name, attendance and date. If you want to customize your column, do as you wish. Then we will write here from January to 1st January to 10th January. I'm going to write this for only 10 days. So here we can write status count, then put all roll numbers, then name, your student's name or for whose you are going to do attendance. Then under the attendance section we will write your status, because we will write at present absent in this section. So here we will write status. Then select the status and go to the data. Then and here click data validation. Under data validation we will click list. Then type your present, absent, and another bracket there is okay attendance and service. Select the present or absent from the drop down list. Then at error we type invalid, and here please select any of them. Okay, then we will click OK, and here we will see the boxes that are showing, and just drag this down, and here we can do attendance. For status count we will see a total number like present days by total days. So here write formula count if bracket open. Then we will write here our column name and row name. So okay, here is D3 and last is M3. So writing this and present, because we are counting the present. Then this specific characters count from like D3 to M3, and we will enter and drag this down. So here we can see if 1 is present, then we can see here 1 by 10 like this. You can see in all how many days present. It is accumulated and shown in this table. So we can add border also for better. So all border for differentiating the one cells from another, header cells, we can click select these headers, and select these headers. First of all we are merging, then selecting the headers. For the thickness, look there, we will select this like headers and select the thickness so it can easily distinguish from the other cells. So if you like my videos, like and subscribe my channel.